everyone. This is Bridget Harrison again, and this is Cooking in Your PJ series. Yes, I put on my PJs today. It is cold out. We are forecasting snow, but over here on our side, we haven't got the snow yet. We've got rain. So it might look a little dreary in the kitchen, but I got an overhead light and the ceiling light going, so hopefully you can see very well. Now this video is going to be really quick, and I just want to show you, let's get real, okay? Let's see the dirt, the grime, the everyday happenings. And I know most of you have children, and if not, you can relate to me as being a fur baby mama. Now, my kids are Siberian Huskies. They absolutely go crazy when it's cold weather out. So for me to get anything done is kind of impossible. I mean, not impossible, but hard to do because they're in and out, and as you can hear, we have one going off because it's almost 5 o'clock, which means time for them to eat, and I tell them, it's not time. Okay, so let's get started here. First, for cooking in your PJs, I always have a meal cooking and ready and prepped. Well, sorry to say, guys, that's not happening. What we were doing is called box meals. The stores, we don't get a lot of snow here, and when it's forecasted, the stores are just wiped out. No milk, no bread. Why do we need those things when the why do we need those things when the snowstorm comes through? I have no clue. But today, we are making box meals. No shame. I know some of you moms have done it. You want a quick meal, you want to feed your family, and you don't feel like going out in the cold. Well, I got it for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use 2 boxes of scallop potatoes, and I'm using a small can of peas. Now, I do have some leftover Christmas ham that I'm actually going to be used up. That Christmas ham was able to provide us with about 3 different meals. So this should be the last of it, hopefully. But when I talk about let's get real, here you go. I washed dishes by hand today. I was afraid to actually run the dishwasher because of the cold and everyone's pipes are freezing. So I hand washed. I haven't put them away yet. The stove, let's talk about that. It has yet to be cleaned. I still have, where my husband made breakfast this morning, oil in a pan that I haven't taken care of. I have over here, where you can't see, let's turn you over here, recycles that need to go out. I have this, it's a collapsible container, and although I wipe it and clean it from water and stuff, dry it off, it needs to be set out because it's collapsible. And if it's not fully dried, mold can happen around those silicone edges. So I leave it out. Like I said, recycle's being taken out. Haven't done that yet either. It's too cold. Let's be real. I ain't doing it. Here's the pan that I'm going to be cooking in tonight. Yes, I washed it. Yay. But like I said, I'm going to use 2 box meals. Fix them just as prepared that it says on the box. Add some ham, throw in the peas. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on it, toss it in the oven. Now, the other thing you can do, which I might be doing in another series with cooking in your PJs. Y'all like my PJs? Look, little dresses on them. See, I'm kind of fancy today. I got dresses on. But what you can do with this meal besides oven is actually fix it in your crock pot. And I know that a lot of you go to work and you need something that you can put on so when you come home, you get nice warm food in your tummy. So I will be doing that again. And I also wanted to update you all that a lot of you wanted to know some of my frugal methods for do-it-yourself household cleaners. I'll be doing a jet dye rinse copycat for your dishwasher, and also a dishwasher powder and pods that you can use in your dishwasher. This can actually save you a lot of money. The pods can only break down to about maybe, I think it's 20 cents per tablet, not quite sure. I have to look over my calculations again. But I do know the Jet Dry, you're going to be freaking amazed. It takes 2 ingredients to make Jet Dry. And no, none of it is with vinegar. I know some of you say, don't use white vinegar. It can ruin the seals around your dishwasher. I actually called my dishwasher company. Let me put this back. And they did not actually say that it was harmful to my dishwasher. My dishwasher is actually a Frigidaire. And they said that actually they prefer to use white vinegar as a cleaning agent, and they have no problems with seals or gaskets breaking or deteriorating down from use of vinegar. So my suggestion to you, call your dishwasher company. Everyone's got an 800 number out there. They got a customer service line or a Facebook group for that company that you can ask about. So if you're unsure or whether or not you want to use vinegar in your rinse cycle, call them. But my method for Jet Dry Copycat Rinse Agent for your dishwasher doesn't require it. So if you're unsure, this might be a method that you're most interested in. Now, I'm sorry I haven't did Cooking in Your PJs in a couple of weeks here. We had Christmas, the holidays. And we had colds. I actually have a runny nose now. My lips are all chapped. So it's been a mess. But I wanted to show you, get real. This is life. Life isn't always pretty. And I wanted to show you, I don't always have my stuff together either. Like I said, stove's messy. I haven't put away the rest of the dried off the dishes yet. I got recycles to take out. And I'm cooking a box meal. So I wanted to say thank you all for joining me today. Like I said, it was just going to be real quick. And if you have any quick go-to meals that you would like me to try out in my kitchen, send them along, post them on my Facebook, and I'll be happy to cook it and share it with the rest of you all. Until then, it's Cooking in Your PJs with Bridget Harrison, and have a wonderful snowy night.